This video is to introduce the extra credit project that goes along with Chapter 3. This description begins by talking about mathematics is everywhere around you. And in this project, we're looking at parallel and perpendicular lines and examples that you see around you of parallel and perpendicular lines. So the project is that you are to take two pictures, a picture of parallel lines and a picture of perpendicular lines. Okay, and it should be a picture and not a diagram from online. Okay, so this is not a good example. This one would be a good example. Okay, so the assignment is to find an example of parallel and perpendicular lines. Ideally, that you take a picture of them, but if you don't have a camera or don't have that available to you, you can find a photo online as long as you cite your source. You'd give a one or two sentence description of what the picture is or where you found it, and also describe in a minimum of 3 sentences how you know that each example is parallel or perpendicular. Okay, you should use the mathematical language and concepts that you are learning in throughout this chapter. Okay, the rubric is that you have two pictures, is 20 points. If you take the photo yourself, it's 10 points. If it's from online, then you would not get the 10 points. To encourage you to actually find an example around you of an example of parallel, an example of perpendicular. And also how you answer the question for number 4 is another 20 points. That's a really important part of this project. Okay, now you can use this sheet if you want. So put your photo of parallel lines, down here your description and how you know that these lines are parallel, and also for perpendicular, the description and how you know these are perpendicular lines.